Hey everyone, if Vivaldi browser is using too much memory in 2026, you're in the right place. In this guide, I'll show you step-by-step methods to reduce RAM usage and improve browser performance. First, high memory usage is usually caused by too many tabs, extensions, background tasks, or corrupted browser data. Start by closing tabs you don't need. Yeah, every open tab consumes memory, and too many tabs can quickly increase RAM usage. Next, restart the browser. This clears temporary memory and refreshes active processes. Open Vivaldi's Task Manager to see which tabs or extensions are consuming the most memory. Extensions can consume a lot of RAM. Yeah, disable extensions you no longer use. Organizing tabs with workspaces and tab stacks makes browsing easier and helps manage resources more efficiently. Corrupted cache files can increase memory usage. Clearing browsing data often improves performance. Close unnecessary applications running in the background. Yeah, this frees up available system memory. Make sure Vivaldi is updated. Newer versions often contain memory optimization improvements. If memory usage remains high, your profile might be corrupted. Yeah, creating a new profile can fix long-term issues. If nothing else works, reinstall the browser. A fresh installation can eliminate persistent memory problems. For the best performance, keep only essential extensions installed and avoid opening dozens of tabs at once. A common mistake is assuming memory usage is always a bug. I mean, modern browsers naturally use more RAM to improve speed and multitasking. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to fix Vivaldi browser high memory usage in 2026. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.